Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, just make sure that you've got the internet connection because obviously it is required for downloading something, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi connection than the mobile data because your carrier operator may charge you some money. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and then let's enter the Play Store. Right now we have to tap on this 3 bars icon in the left upper corner and tap on My Apps and Games. And let's wait for the updates. And as you can see here, we've got the full list of all updates pending, and you can update all of those apps just by tapping on Update All, and then they will be automatically downloaded and updated. But you can update only one of those apps or two of them. So all you have to do is simply find them in the list and tap on Update right next to it. So as you can see right now, I will update the Google Chrome. Right now we've got the download pending. Let me find another app, for example, maybe Gmail. Let's update it. And as you can see, it immediately disappears from the list, but it appears at the very top of it. Here we've got the Gmail, and right now it will be downloaded and then successfully installed and automatically updated. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.